Hello buyers, I would like to present to you a beautiful colonial style home in Country Wood. This home has so many great features, I'm only going to name a few. It features an updated kitchen with a wine cooler and marble floors. There is a 20 by 25 workshop that was added in 2019. The outside deck is super fantastic. It has had a wonderful makeover with new wood and has been freshly painted with an access ramp to make it easy to get to. The perfect setting for the family that likes to get together.